Yan. Hindi ka na kayo dito.
Higa lang ako dito.
Malamig na kung cement. Ay, malamig yung tiles, ano?
Ha?
Si Kelsey. Ay, don't lay down on the, floor, Kelsey. Sorry. Kay mommy at daddy na ata ito lahat. Sa'yo ba to? 7. Okay na, kay mommy at daddy na to.
This should look like our bahay. This should look like our bahay.
This is our house, diba?
There's a sofa in your, we used to play in your picture. And there's a TV right over there. And there's a TV. And there's a door.
Ayusin mo muna na.
Oh, this is for my Barbie.
Kinakalat-kalat mo. Ganyan, nak. Tama. Nakatapat ba sa electric fan? Do you want me to move it on the side? Pantayin mo muna. Tingnan mo yung tahi sa gilid. Dapat pantay. Yan, very good. Doon ka, Kelsey. Kelsey, sige, I'm gonna tell your friends in the office.
No.
Oh, there, over there.
I just want.
No.
Just want some down.
Hindi ko makita si kuya. Dito ka, oh.
Ay,
Galing. Galing ni kuya mo, oh.
let me see.
Tingnan mo yung ginagawa ni kuya mo dun, oh. Diba?
Wow! What? Why is doing that again?
Naayos ni kuya, syempre. Ulaw. Malinis yan. Maliliit naman.